Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can have changing wallpapers on your iPhone. So whenever you wake up your iPhone, it's going to have a new wallpaper, as you can see right here. So let's begin the video. For this, first of all, make sure that you have the latest update of iOS. After that, we're going to open the settings app on our iPhone. We're going to scroll down until we find the option wallpapers. Click on wallpapers and we're going to click on add new wallpaper. From here, the main and important thing is that you need to select the option photo shuffle. Click on photo shuffle, and from here you can select any pictures which you want to shuffle from whenever you unlock or open your iPhone. For this, we're going to select or click on select photos manually. It's going to open our iPhone photos gallery. So I'm going to go to albums. I'm going to go to my favorites album because I have favorited some pictures which I want to use in my wallpaper. I'm going to select multiple image which I want to use in my lock screen that will change once I unlock my iPhone. For this video I'm just selecting 4. You can select more than 4 pictures. Click on add. So it's going to show you the pictures, and you can click on this grid icon and it's going to show you all the pictures that you have selected. If you click on these 3 dots, you can see depth effect is also available, but we are interested in the option shuffle frequency. So you can make it shuffle daily, hourly, on lock or on tap. So by tap it means that when you click on the lock screen it will change the wallpaper, but for this case I'm going to select on lock. So whenever I lock or unlock my iPhone, the lock screen wallpaper will change automatically. After that, I'm going to click on add, set as wallpaper pair, and you can see the new wallpaper has been set it up. So if I lock my iPhone and unlock it, here is the first wallpaper, again second, third and fourth. After that, it's going to restart shuffling the wallpapers. So yeah guys, in this way you can have changing wallpapers on your iPhone lock screen. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.